What's going on YouTube? It's your boy GT, and if you're new to this channel, we provide meaningful information around fitness and finances through interesting conversations like the one we're going to have today. Now, I'm on my way home. We were in Miami visiting my in-laws for Mother's Day. I'm having my family in the van, but I had to drop this video because of the urgency of the moment as the United States has struck a deal with China. Now, a couple of things. If you've seen the previous videos, we've talked about that we were waiting for the market to recover, and the catalyst that we were most waiting on is for the United States and China to strike a deal. Turns out this has happened. On Saturday, members of the Trump administration went to Switzerland and met with Chinese officials to talk about trade and what the opportunities are to help bring better deals between U.S. and China for the long term for all of their citizens, right? Great news for all of us. Why? Because the market sunk by almost 20% due to the tariffs back in the beginning of April. And so the market has been slowly climbing up, but it's heading towards a pivotal point on the chart for the S&P 500 ticker symbol SPY. Now, if you've been watching our videos and recall the target number in the SPY that we're waiting for to assess if we're going to be going to a full-blown rally or if we're heading to a very serious market correction, comment below what the number was for the SPY. And stay with me on this one. So, the details around this is that, unfortunately, the Trump administration did not indicate what specifically were the terms of the trade deal. So, the market now is moving upwards in the right direction. The problem is that we don't know specifically the details. And since we don't know that, we have to now assess tomorrow what the market is wanting to do more long term. So, with that being said, this is what I would recommend if I was you guys, and I'm pulling into this juice spot. Shout out to Palacio de los Jugos in Miami, by the way. And if you're from Miami, be sure to like the video. So, what we got to assess tomorrow is, what is the SPY going to do above $570? I'm going to repeat that again. You and I are going to want to assess tomorrow what the SPY does above $570. Because if the market is going to remain bullish, we're going to want to see upward momentum above and holding above $570. Now, before we continue this video, I'm going to take this camera from my wife, because, by the way, it's Happy Mother's Day to my wife. So she's going to go in and get a smoothie, and I'm going to continue the discussion here. So anyways, above 570 is the key to go, okay? Now, if it goes above 570, the first thing you're going to want to look at are two different things. Number one is the tech sector. Things you're going to want to look at, although it's not financial advice, number one is NVIDIA. NVIDIA currently is about $113, $114. Can we see upward momentum moving towards $120 this week? Second one, Tesla. Tesla's at $307. If we do see resolution that's legitimate with the United States and China, can we see Tesla over the next few weeks moving towards $350? The third stock you want to keep on your radar is AMD. AMD is also a big chip company. It's currently $103. Can we start seeing it clear $106 and then move towards the 200 MA, which is $116? The second thing you're going to want to keep track of is, if there is resolution between the United States and China, the United States aren't the only beneficiaries of a settled deal. You're going to want to keep your eye on two particular Chinese companies. Number one, Alibaba. Alibaba's at about $130, and we've already seen it climb as high as $145 on its last push up. Can we see it retest 145 and go beyond that? And if so, we could be seeing Alibaba moving towards $160. The second stock you don't want to keep on your radar is Baidu. Baidu is currently now about $91, and it's been sitting between the 88 to 95 range. However, with full momentum above 106 and upwards, we can see Baidu start making its way slowly towards $120. There's significant opportunity, And the bonus one I'll leave you with before I let you go, because number one, I've enjoyed doing this from the car. I'm not in my usual studio. And the fact that I've enjoyed my weekend, and it's Mother's Day weekend. The one other detail I will tell you guys to keep your eye on as a bonus is keep your eye on cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is above 104,000. Can we start seeing Bitcoin start moving towards 110,000? If that does, that will take Ethereum, XRP, Ondo Finance, all of your other favorite cryptos, Dogecoin, and all the other ones, it will take it on an upward trajectory. So if you're interested in cryptocurrency right now, although it's not financial advice, this might be a great time for you to start taking advantage of the money that's available right now through cryptocurrency. Again, all of this is predicated on what the readings are tomorrow of the trade deal between the United States and China. If it's promising information, the market will rally. If there is still levels of uncertainty, or if it doesn't seem clear, the market will sink. And if it does sink tomorrow, the number on the SPY you're going to want to keep your eye on is 556. If it goes below 556, game over. Let's pack our bags, and we're going to start the journey back down where we are going to retest eventually $480. Do I think that's the case? I don't. I do think we're going to start seeing ourselves going further up before we work our way back down next. If you like videos like this, be sure to hit the like button, share this with somebody you know. Happy Mother's Day to all of the wonderful mothers out there, including my wonderful mom. I love your mom, and I love my wife, of course, my mother-in-law, my grandmother, everyone and beyond, and all the moms that are watching this page and supporting your husbands as they're pursuing their financial freedom. And if you need anything along the way, be sure to connect with us, and we'll see you on the next one.